Morning class. How are you? I hope you will be safe and sound at your home. I am Patiram. It is our English grammar online class. Yesterday I explained you the definitions and examples of the chapter 6 kinds of sentences. Now today I shall explain here exercises. First exercise is change these sentences into negative. Negative sentence states negative statement. To form negative sentence, not is used after helping verb. First, the leopard is chasing the stag. Given sentence is positive. Helping verb is here is. To form negative, not will come after is. Sentence will be the leopard is not chasing the stag. Second, do you want some tea? It is our interrogative sentence. Here helping verb is do. In this case, इस समय हम क्या करते हैं, डू के साथ हम नॉट का यूज भी कर सकते हैं या फिर यू के बाद भी हम नॉट का यूज कर सकते हैं. तो गिवन नेगेटिव इज डोंट यू वांट सम टी, या फिर हम इसे ऐसे ही बना सकते हैं, डू यू नॉट वांट सम टी. अब इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस ये भी है तो क्वेश्चन मार्क इज कंपल्सरी. थर्ड वन, आई हैव समबडी to help me at home. Here is have like helping verb, but there is no helping verb, it is main verb. This sentence is positive of simple present. In simple present, helping verb will be do or does. To form negative, we use do not after I. Sentence will be I don't have anybody to help me at home. Next, Radha should speak softly. Should is helping verb here. So, not will come after should. Negative will be Radha should not speak softly. Fifth, is there some sugar in the bowl? It is also interrogative sentence. Helping verb is. So, is will come first with not. Negative will be isn't there any sugar in the bowl. और हम इसे दूसरे तरीके से बना सकते हैं, is there not any sugar in the bowl. Okay. Next exercise, change these sentences into interrogative sentence. First is it is very hot today. Given sentence is positive. Is helping verb here. To form interrogative, is will come before it or question mark will come in the end. Interrogative sentence will be Is it very hot today? Question mark is put here. Second, he is very polite. It is also positive sentence. He helping verb is here. Then to form interrogative, is will come before he. Sentence will be, is he very polite? Here a question mark is compulsory. Third, you made many mistakes. This given sentence is simple past. सिंपल पास्ट में हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या होती है? डिड होती है. तो टू फॉर्म नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, डिड विल कम बिफोर यू. डिड यू मेक मैनी मिस्टेक्स. जब हेल्पिंग वर्ब का यूज हो जाता है तो जो वर्ब है वो फर्स्ट यूज होती है. और क्वेश्चन मार्क इज कंपल्सरी. फोर्थ, द रेनबो लुक्स ब्यूटीफुल. Here also not given helping verb because it is simple present tense. In negative or interrogative, simple present tense helping verb will be do or does. Here rainbow is singular, so does will come. Sentence will be formed, does the rainbow look beautiful? Question mark is compulsory. Fifth, this building is very tall. Helping verb is. So is will come before this building. The sentence will be, is this building very tall? A question mark. I hope you would have understood it. So have a good day. Bye bye.